Welcome to our video on the top 5 most common mistakes new players make in King Legacy. Mistake number 1 is not understanding the game mechanics. Knowing the basics of combat, stats, and missions is crucial for your survival. Mistake number 2 is failing to choose the right fruit early on. Many new players pick fruits randomly, not considering their abilities. At mistake 3, we have neglecting stat allocation. Allocating your stats properly enhances your character's performance. Mistake number 4 is neglecting quests. Quests are vital for progress and valuable rewards, so don't disregard them. And finally, mistake number 5, overlooking teamwork. Playing together with others improves your chances of success in battles and missions. To recap, remember these common mistakes and learn from them. Adapt your gameplay for a better experience in King Legacy. We'd love to hear from you. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below.